traditional Chunmung Kanmung Pai Sinmung Rina Bagai contestant number 1 Borok Jottono Boni traditional dress traditional sini traditional Kanmung Chunmung Hukumon Funugai Mutang Rin Borok Fainai contestant number 2 Dong Buskago judges will judge on the basis of how they look or the different dress, the different ornaments, and in this round they will tested by our honorable judges. They will ask on the basis of traditional food, ornaments, and our costume. On the basis of costume, they will ask. They will tested by our honorable judges. Ozagawa, Tripoli Pukubara, Pukubara Mata, Police, Siri, Indigenous, Tofaro, Missing up. Joton or Faizak, Joton Zazari, Dofani, Landmon to Monkey, Borok, Sinimu, Relajak, Maidi, Borok Bomi, Keva, Tripura, Keva, Ria. Keva Halam, Keva Deporma, Dia Borokoni, Jotonia, Dantani Dofani, Danmon Mumpi, Borok, Hailezak. Contestant number 6. Bengi, Haru, Surang, Joto Venus Hazozan, Bro, Pasanjan, dari sini, Risa, Rignai, baik, Pasanjan, Bro, baik dari sini. contestant taklay bisini mistikray batanay royal contestant borok tabuk gongi traditional gongi kamulju nanti borok test nazamai borok judges robai am judges roba koinai ready tona boleh first according to serial one contestant number on sare question nazamai I would like to request our honorable judges to be ready to test our contestant. Please recognize 2020 taklay bisini first contestant now and honorable judges of now. Question narana bagai contestant number 1. Please check stop.
Good evening, my judges and my all dear friends. Puilano jotono punungka ke dino phaimanja phaine okra chakra rokno tiri bisikitani thakahamya paru. Myself by Young and coming from Richard Ramano, Tabuk High University and hobbies are dance and traveling and am alive to become a woman, successful women in life.
Ang judges rono koine orang udah korang no traditional sini kanmun cumung teh jamu abu nomor base kai bang no question dar nama lagi first contestant number 1 nih question dorang tarik mana
Hello, am I eligible? Ani kok dekna? Contestant number 1?
Hello.
Okay. Sharika Ham.
Sharika Ham, sir.
Okay. Belai hambai nono South Tibrani simi thai chini tobai district long pavilion the subdivision of high participate family bali jeng chini moinawa Tripura ni joto youth forum association ni torof hoite jeng nono belai hambai hambai jeng nono lamsoba.
Hambai, sir.
Okay. Yang comfortable lu nable? Iriya nable?
Iriya.
Okay. Ani ni thane sungmo tei chini je nai tongnai joto chini je audience no belai hambai je tini oda khai manja khainane bagi tamni kaiba chini o tring bisi ketal thangnai 22 bosor ungkha jeng chini ro moinama pala chini belai kopar phechen yo pali jago te tabuk ani question ni thani wang tai sakhi mui bai godok mui neng bo mui no chini je Tripura samui ni hini neng chini mudi namutu
Good luck.
Okay. ठीक है थैंक यू हम भाई कम लेबारी ने चाकेरिया कारे तंग गोदम ने निनी सिने मोंति प्रसाद हिसाबै रिना मचुम किछु साकेना दे
Good luck nge no joto no thokjago nge je jagao phono good luck use ungo chai mano
ओके थैंक यू आं ओबन लुगि तेकसे साइरिना मचुम बेलाय हम भाई जतो ऑडियंस न किते जाफा करबै बंगनो तेबो तुलु तुलु के रेगारे
Thank you, honorable judges, Mr. Tuhi Devarmana. Now, question number 9. Question since I contestant number 2 now.
The most beautiful thing a woman can wear is a confidence. Pulongka. Pulano jotano tongthok bisi katal. Tai oro khai manjanai judges rock tai o panda songsanai rock jotono ro shari kaham tai ani khakselai rong no jotono ra an khaku jangbai hamjamaya paro ani mong Priyanka Dev Burma ani babari mong Braja Gopal Dev Burma ani kami Dayalpara Moinama Dhalai Tripura tai ang diploma khai tongo from Dhalai District Polytechnic branch Civil Bodyman, third year. Tai, Ani, hobbies Rokanka, dancing, traveling, and playing badminton. Tai, Ani aim in life and her to be an district magistrate. Come by.
Hello,
Hello, sir.
Miss Payal.
Sorry, sir, it's Priyanka.
Priyanka, okay, Priyanka. Happy dream.
Sir, happy dreams, sir.
Khâu đâu có nào đấy.
In heaven.
Tin bay cái thật sung mong cái. Nên tôi tin này borong ni rignai risa kan kerja.
Bisa.
Obon ni dulu tu nak kerja dalam position mana sumong sungai. Nen sumong, nen bagai sumong ke simpul se. Risa tahu no.
Benar kena hambai sano, mana question sungai bagai. Risha, jeda dini di prasarong ni sini mu, tai obono kanke berido, benar kena tu potamu, tai Risha no jom berido muka eba. Kazau beru ya kai, jelarong ka totra ham pano. Tai Risha tabuk zoom, obono zoom, jatuh no lam sungai bagai boyus kayu, hambai.
Hambai, lihat Hambai.
Thank you, our honorable judges. Forum guna Rana Devarmana. Now question khajana judges number 3, contestant number 3 now.
Kulumka, pulang aja dono saya kaham, dia orang pay manjat payai, sini okra jakra deh sak salai, jadi dono nama office kedalani, ani khabai, hamjang madai jiwa ya paru, ani bumung ke, hamari de Burma, ani baba ne bumung ke, muli de Burma, ani kami kamonoga dalai district, dia angin with arsigat, poritongo class 12, ani hobby single dancing. Plus sketching, etc. Ani aim in life inke to be an air hostess. Hambai.
पहिला न kita hambai. Tini sino महिनामा kami wo. Jesen Dream Festival Khaimani Ojagao Kaisa Sini Regina ini talent show also Khaimani bagai belakangnya hambai
Hambai sir.
please
Hamari the Burma.
ang hamari the Burma no mono collection khainai jehetu Regina ini sabai jehetu faijak ganjak ang dono mono collection sungai tham puita mono hin
Hampui de. Rigai tagma bore ukhatang barang tongmani abano hampui kino.
okay thank you
Hambai.
amba
Thank you to our honorable judges. Forum guna Sarojit Devarmana. Now question contestant number 4.
Jo dono khap jamu yang fayo, tini worship tano. Ani no Panditaria, ani para Omolpur. Ang postgraduate complete sa Tripura University wa Rural Development and Management na tuye. Ani hobby sunga, rijang mong kna nema, jang tak taca nema. Te, ani aiming like mga assistant professor. Khap jang aja tono.
Orang Panai, ini barat. Zona Hambai,
Hambai sa.
angke nono kaca position senggo. Ini barat. Mana ini kokti mana sorok kaca tunggu sorok. What is that sorok?
Sure, Hambai sa. Jeng mai tu kolok mai no.
Thank you so much.
Hambai sa.
Thank you to our honorable judges. Forum guna Devarmana. Now question Contestant number 5 Tom.
Kulongka jotono sarit kaham ani mong menaka Tripura ani pani mong jogramni Tripura ani para koram sarari grouping colony ang pore tongo Ambedkar Degree College of First Semester engai ani musung makai mai misongnani ritangnani engai ani laibu musung di sangnani asunga hambai
Hello, contestant number 5. Victory is because ini pakai semua ke kaisa dono jangan logis itu mana menu kati kerana over buj na boleh
Ruzio
tadi ini pakai semua ke neng eren bere jahabzak na lab bere
ang erin meres hamjago
kita puno sebaik sebelum kita sakit pada ham karena dengan hamzak
Abun kita masing ni cha gai bogano asu cara thamsing ni bilka purungka asu sore purungka gai ango rojo disa bangno khasa bai ka gai bogano khaju kona na boni bagai
lab bere sudah tanya hamzak
love marriage ke oboto ang bono cha sa goi sangna to bojo disa lo ano hamja ya phono ngoi mano
thank you
Belai ke hambai sini borong bodar Rajasthan. Tabu question sungai nai. Contestant number 6.
Ini orang hai manjat khainai ani saksalai tai ani atang abang ani ma baba ni saksalai rabna ani bukhamai na hambai jakharo ani bumu ungkha sunita kalai ani baba ni bumu ungkha Jester Kumar kalai ani kami ungkha South Santir Bazar anta pori tongmani ungkha Kolkata wo bed khai tongo ani hobbies ungkha listening music traveling tai ani ML life ungkha teacher hambai
Hello, Sunita Kalai.
Hello sir.
How are you doing? How are you doing? Are you comfortable?
Yes sir.
You are comfortable, na? Okay. Ang kaisa engkai chin de jehu neng chini de taporo te kanmu te kani phegaba ang kaisa chini ko borong ni bising te kaisa ang nono kaisa prashno khaina mu tumoni ke thuri tamno hin
Belena hambai sir, ano o question sumani bagai. Thuri engkha jangring nai takna thani. Kutung ukok haima yang wasa ke di bahan takban ni oro kamlang. Hambai.
Acha, okay. Cái anh tadi kisah question saya kasih tomai kai. Sudah rignai deh. Saya kasih tak borong tak tadi betul. Thuri nang bilang.
Oh sir.
Okay. Okay. Very nice and thank you. All the best.
Hambai sini honorable judges of question sungai nai. Contestant number 7.
jotono sari kaham oro phai manjak phainai okra chakra tai ani sak soman tai ani mafa jotono ani khani hamjangma tai sibaya kharo ani mong kha resmi de burma ani para kha hokotuisa satrai para ang tabu BA first semester pori tongo long tribally degree college ani jajangma ungkha musanani tai khela khainani tai maini songmani ani laiba musungma ungkha khela teacher hambai Hello, sir.
Hello. That's me, the Burma.
How, sir?
Balakan Hamayano. Sini outing bisa kedalo. Fai, jaseng Miss Rignai, the talent show kaitong mga orang participate kami na bagay. Nano Hamay Maya paro. Ali kaisa collection eba sumung tangnai. Ni thaniwo kogrok Simon apply.
Simon, sir.
Khandai tamono hin.
Khandai ungka jungjefru ungko ri takfuru ri bahan jate kochori thangyatei abon bagai je rino saman khaitlangna bagai yorjago.
Okay, thank you. All the best.
Hambai, sir.
Hambai, Siri, Honorable Justice of again. There was a high. Crucial Susan Siri. Contest is number 8 now.
Kulumka. Puila no jotona shari kaham. Ora Bhaimanda Phainai Okra Chakra Ani Shak Chakra Ani Mungkha Trinoyani Tripura Ani Babani Mungkha Ratan Mohan Tripura Ani Kamiungkha Ambasha Ang Tabukori Tongma MS second year Ani Hobby Funkha Modeling Traveling Cooking Ani MS Life Funkha Teacher Women Businessman.
Hambai. Nona ka to sumung ke atem sumung tengok nang sing bor ngeble.
Yes,
Ke bong fry mana tu bong fry? Bong fry. Hey, please. Ang nona semua ke bong fry camo. Okay, I'm actually you bombarga tunge ukrio kacha tini ka tok mane like something like video somani abose. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Hambai.
Hambai, Siri, Jasper, they now high question Susan Siri contestant number 9.
Sadi kaham joton judges ansai okra chakra ansai ansabang jalai rong tiring bisikatali hambaya horo ani mung sentika deborma ani kami umargat subdivision ni rajkandi ani mani mung uttarani deborma ani baboni mung gabes deborma Khatigra Ambedkar College first semester education honors now ang poriwo ani hobby singke traveling mami shongani day gitangnani ani aim love life ke teacher Hambai.
Hello, Santika.
Hello, sir.
Happy dream.
Happy dream, sir.
Orang mana orang na?
Mami.
Pasal ni bagai kayak semua ke? Nunggu ini tradisional tahu orang boleh?
Yes, sir.
Ni bagai semua ke? Handai tahu handai.
Handai ingke jini tak burung ni dignai tak progo je. Tak progo khusus yang ni bagai je bahan ingke bono yoi bahan Jadi tak perlu susah nanti bono samung tu ho. Hambai sir.
Asal mana? Hambai. Thank you.
Hambai Siri, judges of tak question kita lagi. Khajana, audition number 10.
Jotono Sari Kaham, Rob Highway of Haina and Saba Hatre Ain, Pudra Zagra Rono, Aini Monka Buddha Burma, Aini Amung Monkenomitari Yang, Antawa Foreto, Commercial, College has Semester, Aini Hobbies dancing and cooking, Aini M and Light Blog Development Officer Kaksanga.
Burma, reading.
Hello, Tabu de Burma.
Hello, sir.
Happy tree.
Happy doing, sir.
Busy Catalan Hambai.
Happy, sir.
Ang dana kaisa question sengai. Abo sini Rignai no business fashion traditional dress the best kind of sengai. Tek sini what is surang? Surang Tamanahi.
Mike. What is surang?
Hello. Hello.
Hi, sir. Ano operation sungna ni bagoy? Surang ka. Sir. Rignai ni ta. Surang ka. Burisi klaroni khajua bermani kaisa naithoto ungnai. Hamai sir.
Thank you.
Question, Madam Zumbai. What question number 7? Hello.
Hari kaham jotono na oro phaiman ta phainya okra sakra ani bantai khasong de thongma ani khane hamjama tiri bi talite no rangma chi baya phara ani mungkin khri debor ma ani bara gorta to west dibra ang women college semester pori tongo te ani muthangma rakon kha musamu te ri tangmo te di charunani te hini da phani kulukda boro rongma anti chanani hambai.
Hello everybody. Bhai Tombai. Tamasik juice kerisa. Asik kecangma jorawo bus kango kulung bus alajak. Tamasik juice kom. Awas the juice. Awas the juice. यार इतना से नहीं चलेगा ना आवाज तो जोश थैंक यू ओके चिंकरी नों कॉलेजआव बयेर परि दंमोन 5th सेमिस्टार ओके उइलावनो आं जत 12 कन्टेस्टेंट नो बेलाय हामबाय जानोगो all are looking very hot and beautiful and gorgeous so please जतनो यामा खरबै कायसा Gongno ekdom energetic and encourage khairi regrade. Yes, audience, please. Because norok jodi borone encourage khaya engkai, borne bukathiyo, naine nibo bukathiyo, jesunai borne bukathiyo. So that is why I would like to request all the audience, please put your hands together to encourage them. Please. Okay, Chinkri, bye Tom. Okay, hot and cool at the same time. Wow. Okay.
Okay, just only dancing.
Okay. Please, it's time for me. Okay, I think nung to ko borok hamde saimano jehetu tak borok chini borok ni je kam nung tumu kanjan nung very I am very well impressive. So I have a very small question for you. Kuturuk tam nahi.
Kuturuk yes, je puru je samani kana dai to ni mane abono hino kuturuk wa bai wa.
abo senam.
Belai hambai, but ango de tekse app thai rina mujumo. Jodi ang jadi silai dai dawi toni ribore putrugo.
Abo bumang da sa dale keba. Da jale mani bele je sapa na dai mana alo to.
But very smart. I like this text. Please, yawa khulbada. Thank you. Contestant number 11, Chingkri. Mana short tumi chiringi tongnai, mana chingsa sangui tongnai. Dui tin din bung bodali dirapte peka Chingkri mana kita sini audience or kita sai hui senari ke Chingkri tamoi. Nini bungui tangi Chingkri ja.
Chingkri mana sa je kun zaga kisung khai nu jang na ni ba ke Chingkri pharo ane nong ni boro rang ane parents lo.
Okay. Silent audience. Okay, asal betul tebo yama koroba di because tebo I temo kini buskango. Abandori please encourage them. Good luck all the contestants.
Thank you, judges. Now, Bhushan Major Knight, contestant number 12.
Good evening, dear judges, and to all my lovely friends. Ani Mumandi in the Burma, Ani coming, Hanang Katulai Tripura, and we are first time Guwahati City Public College of Politamo. Ani hobbies are listening to music, cooking, dancing, and traveling. Ani aim of life and car to be a IS officer. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. You mean like as a visa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Up to you.
Thank you, sir.
But that question maybe what type of boy you want?
Ang IS officer ang nama sudah karena ang susah by say borok no ang sebab kebalai. Nanti ane mah babu no borok itu kebalai.
Acha, maybe question maybe wrong. Nung maybe IS officer may do. Kita bukti salah. Nung terus kena in future boy sudah bukti salah nung terus kena.
Educated चलाना choose खाइलाई कारण educated is very important. Educated चलाएंगे हम करते बानो बुझी बमांगला गए हम बोले आंगो educated हंगा चलावानी वो educated में नंगलाई तो प्रथम मान चलाने और नाइने हिंदा educated चलाना है
But apro option है ना masa engineer masa doctor हम लोग choose खाइलाई
जे बोरो आना बुझी नहीं आप बोलो ना choose खाइलाई
ना engineer masa खाइना doctor बस है ना maybe you could choose masa mau choose semua kan then doctor or engineer okay thank you so much Ambai
Thank you, judges. Robert. Hey, your प्रतिनिधि और बाकी Miss Rignani contestant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12. Siri. Main event Miss Rignani sponsor atau हमारे स्टोर Miss Borok menang asis de Burma. Sini.